Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about something super exciting, how you can become a GCP data engineer. So if you are looking for to build your career in the cloud computing along with the data, then here is the right place. And also this is one of the rapidly growing IT job in software industry. So there are a few types of data engineering jobs are available. AWS data engineer, Azure data engineer and GCP data engineer. AWS and Azure data engineer jobs are high demand and also huge competition also there. So if you want some limited competition and job openings also, then you can choose the GCP data engineer. And you may have doubt, who is GCP data engineer? Here GCP stands for Google Cloud Platform. It helps the businesses to store, analyze and process the data using Google Cloud Platform. As a data engineer, he has to manage and transform data to help companies and make smart decisions. Now let's talk about what are the key main skills are required to become a GCP data engineer. First, you have to learn the knowledge of GCP tools. You need to understand Google Cloud tools like BigQuery, Dataflow, Pub and Sub and more. Also, you should have strong knowledge on SQL. This SQL is used for managing the databases. So you will use it to manage and query the data. Next one is Python. Python programming is also required to automate the task and to handle the data in the cloud. So our next skills are data modeling. Data modeling helps the companies to organize and structure data in a way that makes it easy to use. This is very important for data engineers. Next one is BigQuery and Dataflow. These are the very important skills for GCP data engineer. BigQuery is a tool that helps you to analyze the data in the cloud, and Dataflow helps you process the data. So you will use both of these tools regularly. Here are the primary skills for GCP data engineering. First, you have to learn the GCP cloud tools and learn the SQL and learn the Python and learn the GCP tools like BigQuery and Dataflow. After completion of all these skills, then do one small project by using BigQuery and GCP tools and Python and SQL. And also better to complete GCP certification as well. Now, what about package for this GCP data engineers? So you will get around 10 to 12 lakhs package for 3 to 4 years of experience candidate, guys. So if you are joining big MNC companies, then you will get around 14 lakhs as well. 14 to 15 lakhs or 16 lakhs package also for 4 years or 5 years of experience candidate. So good future scope and good career growth is also there if you start your career as a GCP data engineer. You may have doubt, can I try this job as a fresher? So I highly recommend you, if you are a fresher, then I will tell you one thing, guys. For data engineering job positions, to get a fresher job, it is very hard to find fresher job openings. Only you can expect data engineering job openings from 2 years experience onwards. So some companies or few companies, they will give some opportunity to do some internship. If you have completed your training, you just find and search some internship job roles also. So that's all, guys, man. Hope you understand how to become a GCP data engineer and what are the primary skills are required. And after completion of your skills, after completion of your training and skills, do one project as well, mini project. Then you will get some hands-on experience and you can try with the experience also to get a job soon. Okay. So if you still have any doubts, please comment in the comment section and don't forget hit and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.